Every structure starts with one critical setup, which is story height. Well, but most beginners often skip it. But that one single mistake makes your whole project collapse into errors. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set story heights in Autodesk Robot, so your story heights align perfectly before you start drawing. And to do that, we are going to navigate to these options here. In Autodesk Robot, there are two types of story definition. We have the automatic and we have the manual. So for this case, I like using manual because my story height might differ. So depending on your project, I'm choosing manual for my case. Firstly, you want to make sure that you have deleted everything that Autodesk Robot has given as default. So navigate down here and click on delete all. The first story height I want to add is that of the foundation. So you just have to type it here. So if your foundation is 1.5 meter depth, you can put in 1.5 meters there. So under base building level, they are going to put it to negative 1.5. Once you set your building base level, you're going to click on add, rename that story as foundation. The next story we'll be looking at is our framework plan for the first story. So let's say you have one story, so you're just going to navigate to define manually to set the height of the story. So let's say you want to set 3 meters or 3.2 or 3.4 depending on your project. You are going to click on add, and on the story you are going to rename it maybe as framework plan. Once you are done, you click on add new template from selected story. You're going to click OK, and you apply. And to actually see what you have done, you're going to navigate to this, which is the first part here, and X means the X coordinate, Y means the Y coordinate. So when you're setting story height, it will be Z because it's the height, because it's the story height. So you click on Z, you're going to notice that your base is foundation, which is negative 1.5. Then we have your story 1, which starts from 0, 0. We have your framework plan, which is at 3 meters.